Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering both devices and plugging a LAN cable between them. Once done, log into the primary router to confirm its LAN IP and DHCP range. Make sure you can reach the secondary's admin page by connecting a laptop to it directly. If you plan a single network, prepare to use LAN to LAN. If you need a separate subnet, plan LAN to WAN. Right now, pick an unused IP for the secondary that's outside the primary's DHCP pool, so the two won't conflict. Log into the secondary router's web interface and change its LAN IP to the reserved address you chose. This makes management predictable. Once done, disable DHCP if you're using LAN to LAN, so the primary remains the only DHCP server, and set the gateway to the primary's IP. Configure wireless SSID and password. Either match the primary for seamless roaming or choose a distinct name for separation. Also pick non-overlapping channels to minimize interference, then save settings and reboot the device. Now connect a LAN port on the primary to a LAN port on the secondary for access point mode. Once connected, test several devices to confirm they receive IPs from the primary and access the internet. If everything works, position the secondary for optimal coverage and update firmware if available. If you run into trouble, check for IP conflicts, ensure the Ethernet cable is good and in LAN ports, reboot both routers. And as a last resort factory, reset the secondary and reapply the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.